Ready to take control of your time? Start by grabbing a notebook and writing down activities, requests, or obligations that drain your energy or distract you from your priorities. This is your personal no list. Be honest. Include anything you dread or do out of guilt. Once your list is complete, review it before accepting new commitments. Use it as a filter to confidently say no to what doesn't serve you. Revisit and update your list regularly to reflect changes in your life. Remember, protecting your time isn't selfish. It's an act of self-respect.